How to check your Instagram email. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can view the email address associated with your Instagram account on both iOS and Android devices. So this ensures you can manage your account settings and recover your account if needed. So if you have created an account on Instagram and you have logged into your iOS or Android and you don't remember what your email was, I've got you covered. If you're using iOS and Android, you can follow similar steps because the steps are the same on both of the devices. So you're going to click on your profile here at the bottom right, and then you're going to click on these three horizontal lines at the top right. Once you're in settings and activity, you're going to click on account center. After that, you're going to scroll down and then you're going to click on personal details over here. Over here, you're going to click on contact information. And here you'll be able to see all of your emails that you have associated with this account. So that is basically how you can check your Instagram email. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.